I'm Chris Daly. It's always my pleasure to and fortunate to run across people doing marvelous stuff. And we have one such person today. It's a group of women who are change makers within the women of the diaspora. And we have one of their leaders with us this today to tell us a little about themselves. It's Dr. Sanji Nicholas. The group's name is Global Innovation Mastermind. What a mouthful, but I'm going to let her tell you a little more about it. Doc?
Thanks, Chris, and thank you for having me and also my colleague Denise, who is another leader of the Global Innovation Mastermind community, on. As a founding member of Global Innovation Mastermind, I am very proud to represent an initiative that is more than just an organization. Chris, it's a movement.
Mm.
Our focus is on empowering women of the diaspora to unlock their full potential and transform their communities. We believe that the unique experiences and perspectives of these women are invaluable assets in shaping a more inclusive and innovative future. Through mentorship, skill building, and access to resources, we aim to break down barriers and ensure that these women, are equipped to lead and excel in every sphere of life. Our vision is not only about empowerment, it's about creating a ripple effect of change. You see, when you uplift women, you uplift families, communities, and ultimately the world. We are here to inspire action, to foster collaboration, and make empowerment a global reality. Let me now turn to my colleague and Global Innovation Mastermind co founder, Denise Williams, who also serves as one of the chief coaches in our venture, to share more details about our enterprise.
My name is Denise Williams. I'm one of the team members of the Global Innovation Mastermind. This is a platform where we are empowering women of the Caribbean diaspora by integrating financial wellness and life care. Now, we believe and we work very hard so that GIM offers a safe space where members can engage in mastermind sessions that include financial literacy, personal development, and community support. This holistic approach means that you will be in a container that fosters self mastery and cultivate a mindset of groundedness. And you will be geared towards success, enabling women to thrive both professionally and personally.